Looking for a hearty and comforting soup? Today we're going to make chicken sopas, a pasta soup loaded with tender chicken and veggies. It's creamy, tasty, and perfect for cold weather. In a pot, combine chicken breast, water, aromatics, and salt to infuse flavor. Simmer until the meat is cooked through. Make sure to skim off any foam that rises to the top to keep the broth clear and sediment-free. Flake the chicken and reserve the broth. Heat a bit of oil in a pot and saute onions, celery, and carrots until softened. This combination of vegetables would serve as the flavor base for our soup. Add baby bella mushrooms and garlic and cook until softened. Elbow macaroni is traditional in chicken sopas, but I like to occasionally switch it up with other short pastas like rotini, shells, or alphabet. Pour in the reserved chicken broth and add more water as needed to make 10 cups. Cook the pasta until al dente, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Add the flake chicken and stir to distribute. You can also add hot dogs, ham, or Vienna sausages to increase the number of servings and for a smoky layer of flavor. Boost the meaty taste with Maggi chicken cube. Stir in the corn kernels and cabbage. Then add Nestle All-purpose Cream for extra richness. Oh, wow. Ang sarap. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Continue cooking for a few more minutes until the vegetables are tender and the soup is completely heated. Serve in a bowl and top with hard-boiled eggs and green onions if you like. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more delicious recipes. Enjoy!